Here's how to book an appointment on MF Homecare. In the appointment section, click on the plus sign and select the relative. You can also add the relative while booking the first appointment for a new relative. Choose between caregivers and companions, and select required services. Select the dates for the appointment. You can pick multiple dates for up to 3 months. Add the time for each day. For overnight appointments, make sure you click on the moon icon before adding the time. Confirm the relative and their address, and choose from a list of available professionals. You can view their profiles, client reviews, and other information. At the end of the profile, click on Book. Now, select a card and pay. Your appointment has now been booked and will appear in Pending. When the caregiver accepts the booking request, it will move automatically to the Upcoming section.